mountains to me are a place that just kind of draw me in and just keeps me centered. Pretty much as soon as I could walk, my dad was trying to get me outside with skis on my feet. I knew I wanted to be a ski patroller after my first season of boot backing up here at the Aspen Highlands. We're not just a top-down lift serve ski area. We have to hike to the Highland Bowl. We have to hike up, over, and around. To do that and to work in that terrain, we also have to get all of our medical gear up there. There is certain levels of risk in everything that we do. And our job as ski patrollers and professional rescuers is to calculate those risks. When the stressful situations happen, we have the ability to just flip the switch and be in go mode. There's some tense moments here and there, but that's just part of the job. Part of it is being able to see a team work together so closely. This group is like a second family to me. Why do I do the job? It's fun as hell.